Hey there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we turn everyday items into something extraordinary. Today we're talking about used candle jars. You know the feeling? You finish burning that gorgeous candle and you're left with a beautiful jar. But then comes the dilemma: throw it out or keep it? Today I'll show you clever ways to upcycle old candle jars. It's wonderful to think about how something so simple can be given a new lease on life. These candle jars have already filled our spaces with warmth and lovely scents, and now they're ready for their next chapter. From storage solutions to stylish decor pieces, and even charming mini terrariums or thoughtful gift packaging, the possibilities are endless. I just know you're going to be amazed at what these humble jars can become. So grab your collection of empty jars, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's jump right into 15 creative, step-by-step upcycling ideas you absolutely can't miss. Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's tackle that bathroom counter clutter. Those cotton balls, Q-tips, and makeup sponges need a proper home. Empty candle jars are perfect for bringing order and charm to your bathroom. Imagine turning everyday chaos into a serene, spa-like retreat. The magic happens when we give these jars a little makeover. Paint or spray paint the lids to match your bathroom's style. Add elegant waterproof vinyl decals or charming chalkboard tags for labels. Match your jars with your bathroom's color palette for a cohesive look. It's all about creating harmony and a sense of calm. Next up, let's bring a bit of the outdoors in with mini herb garden pots. Growing your own herbs is rewarding, and candle jars are perfect for it. Grab some potting soil, herb seeds or seedlings, and small pebbles for drainage. Add a layer of pebbles, fill with soil, and plant your herbs. Place them on a sunny windowsill and watch them thrive. These upcycled jar planters bring life, color, and a fresh scent to your space. Enjoy the satisfaction of using homegrown herbs. This one is for all you bakers and dessert lovers. We're turning candle jars into adorable containers for individual desserts. Think layers of creamy pudding, colorful parfaits, or decadent tiramisu. Clean and sanitize your jars thoroughly before layering your desserts. The clear glass shows off your culinary creations beautifully. Tie a small wooden spoon or dessert fork to the jar with twine or ribbon. These dessert-in-a-jar creations make awesome party favors. Coordinate the ribbon with your party's theme for a personal touch. It's a wonderful way to share homemade sweetness. Let's explore how candle jars can become perfect vessels for heartfelt DIY gifts. Create a luxurious spa in a jar, hot cocoa mix jar, or cookie mix jar. Layer ingredients beautifully and decorate the lid with fabric or ribbon. Add a handwritten tag for a personal touch. These DIY gift jars are more than presents. They're bundles of thoughtfulness. They're practical, pretty, and perfect for any occasion. It's about creating an experience, a little package of joy and care. Let's bring some upcycled charm to your vanity. A candle jar can be transformed into an elegant makeup brush holder. Add decorative stones, glass beads, or coffee beans to the jar. These fillers help your brushes stand upright and separated. Personalize it with paint or glitter for a unique touch. It's not just about organization, it's about creating a beautiful space. This elegant holder makes your vanity look sophisticated and functional. For crafters and sewing enthusiasts, turn a candle jar into a charming sewing kit. Keep needles, thread, buttons, and scissors neatly organized. The clear glass allows you to see everything at a glance. Transform the lid into a pincushion with fabric and stuffing. This DIY sewing kit jar is practical and pretty. It's a wonderful personalized gift for anyone who loves to sew. It combines functionality with heartfelt handmade charm. Always prepared emergency candle. An emergency candle is essential for unexpected power outages. Use leftover wax or new wax chips and a new wick. Secure the wick to the bottom center of the jar with hot glue. Pour in melted wax, leaving space at the top, and let it set. These homemade emergency candles are practical and resourceful. Add essential oils for a subtly scented candle. Store a few of these candles for peace of mind. It's a simple, practical craft that turns potential waste into a beacon of preparedness. Rustic Glow Boho Vibe Tea Light Lanterns. Transform candle jars into beautiful tea light lanterns with jute rope or macrame twine. Use battery-operated tea lights for safety. Wrap the rope around the jar, securing with hot glue. Place a battery tea light inside for a warm, patterned glow. Display these lanterns on a shelf or hang them for a magical effect. They bring inviting ambient lighting with a rustic twist, perfect for relaxing evenings. Kitchen helper sink side storage. Use candle jars for sink side storage to keep essentials tidy. Perfect for dish sponges, baking soda scrub, or dishwasher tabs. Label jars with waterproof markers or vinyl decals. Paint the base with glass-safe paint for a pop of personality. These jars declutter a high-traffic area and add charm. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Stylish and practical solutions for everyday necessities. For all artists, use candle jars for rinsing brushes. Designate one jar for clean water and one for rinsing. Attach a brush holder to the rim for convenience. Label the jars with artistic stickers or hand paint designs. These jars organize your supplies and inspire creativity. Curate an environment that fuels your artistic spirit. Personalized paint water jars make painting time enjoyable. Transform a candle jar into a beautiful jewelry holder. Keep rings, earrings, and bracelets organized and displayed. Add a velvet lining for an elegant touch. Attach a decorative knob to the lid for easy access. This upcycled jewelry holder looks boutique-worthy. It's a practical and beautiful solution for your accessories. A simple jar becomes an elegant home for cherished pieces. Bring organizational magic to your workspace with candle jars. Use jars for paper clips, push pins, and rubber bands. Create a matching set for a cohesive look. Paint jars in muted tones or use clear chalkboard paint for labels. These organizers keep your desk tidy and stylish. A tidy desk leads to a tidy mind. Creative solutions for a productive workspace. Use candle jars for a stash of treats. Perfect for colorful candies, healthy trail mix, or mints. Label jars with playful or personalized tags. These jars are great for gifting homemade treats. A sweet and simple way to share joy. Treats in a beautiful jar are a delight for the eyes and taste buds. Elevate your snack game with charming containers. Create a cotton pad dispenser from a candle jar. Modify the lid with a round hole or slot for easy access. Stack cotton pads vertically inside the jar. Use a mason jar lid if needed for a tighter seal. This dispenser keeps pads neat and clean. A sleek and functional addition to your beauty station. Elevate your daily routines with this smart DIY. Use a candle jar as a potpourri holder for natural fragrance. Fill with dried flowers, herbs, spices, and wood chips. Add essential oils for enhanced scent. Drill tiny holes in the lid for a shaker-style diffuser. Change potpourri seasonally for a fresh touch. A beautiful rustic addition to any room. Fill your home with nature's perfume and handmade charm. Can you believe all these incredible things came from simple old candle jars? Who knew that what usually ends up in the trash could become such practical, beautiful, and even gift-worthy items? From organizing our bathrooms and kitchens with a touch of style, to creating charming herb gardens, delightful dessert containers, and even thoughtful, personalized gifts, the journey these little jars can take is truly inspiring. It just goes to show that with a bit of imagination, almost anything can be given a new story. I hope seeing these transformations has sparked some ideas for your own collection of empty candle jars. It's so rewarding to take something that served its initial purpose and breathe new life into it, especially when the results are this lovely and useful. The best part about DIY is making it your own, so feel free to adapt these ideas, mix and match techniques, and let your personal style shine through in every creation. That's where the real joy of making comes in. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which idea was your favorite, or share how you've upcycled your own candle jars. I love seeing your creativity. And if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a fun and budget-friendly DIY. Until next time, don't just recycle, reimagine. Happy crafting!